Can Cardano overtake Ethereum? That's a big question that a lot of people want to know the answer to. Here's the thing. I don't think anytime soon Cardano will overtake Ethereum. However, I want to have exposure to both cryptocurrencies. We are going to jump into this video and talk about what Cardano would need to do in terms of a move by market cap to overtake Ethereum. Of course, it's a certain number of X's away, but Ethereum would have to stall out and Cardano would have to move forward without Ethereum moving. We will talk about that in this video. So we're going to jump into that and also jump into what Cardano has in terms of its upcoming Vassal hard fork and what Ethereum has coming up in August as well. Both of these smart contract platforms or cryptocurrencies have some big things coming here in 2022, even though we are in this type of market. There are some predictions that both cryptocurrencies could see some nice run up later this year once we get past the dog days of summer. Of course, we had that last year too. But let's jump in and take a look at this article. Cardano must increase 9x before it can match Ethereum's market cap. Now, traders will be keeping a close eye on Cardano over the upcoming months to see whether it can actually surpass Ethereum. Of course, Ethereum moving from proof of work over to proof of stake. That has been happening for quite some time. Both blockchains provide programmers with access to common functionalities, including the execution of user-defined programming logic, smart contracts, and building programs, which are, of course, decentralized applications. Now, Cardano would need to rise 9.25 times more to have the same size market cap as Ethereum. This represents a gain of over 800%, 823.39% to be exact, and would see ADA trade at a price of $4.34. This is utilizing CoinGecko's Compare Cryptocurrencies tool. Very cool, actually. And when you compare ADA and ETH, that's what it shows. In order to get to ETH's market cap, Cardano would be trading at $4.33. Now, given where Cardano's all-time high is at $3.10, a price to $4.34 doesn't seem likely here in the near distant future, especially without Ethereum rising in tandem if that were to happen. Of course, Ethereum saw its all-time high hit near 4,800 back in November of 2021. Cardano has just completed a near complete reconstruction, though, of its blockchain in order to include smart contracts and enhance other aspects of its ecosystem. That is the upcoming Vassal hard fork as well, which is going to help with scalability for developers building on top of Cardano. Now, earlier this month, Finbold reported on a price prediction algorithm that uses an open source machine learning framework, projecting that Cardano could reach the price of $2.90 by as early as September 1st, 2022. And I'll tell you what, if that happens, a lot of Cardano and ADA holders will be happy because I and many others have been accumulating here less than 50 cents per ADA. So this is interesting. A lot of people are expecting a price pump for Cardano later this fall. Of course, with the Vassal hard fork, it could be coming sooner than later. The founder of the project for Ethereum, Vitalik Buterin, has indicated that August will be the month in which the update will be finished for Ethereum 2.0, and it is possible that the price of ETH could also surge towards that date as predicted by the crypto community at CoinMarketCap. So looking at Ethereum and Cardano, listen, they're both going to be big winners in my opinion. I want both of them in my portfolio. I do hold more ETH right now than Cardano. However, I will say this, that gap is narrowing right now in 2022, meaning the gap was much wider in 2021. I only had probably, if I had to split it, it was probably an 80-20 split back in 2021 between Ethereum and Cardano. Now it's probably like a 65-35 split, Ethereum, Cardano. So I'm lessening that gap because here's the thing. It's not to say I'm liking Cardano more than I like Ethereum now. It's not that at all. It's looking at Cardano and it's much, much earlier on in its history. And I think when we get back into this bull run, Cardano could actually grow a lot more versus once you get so big like Ethereum has gotten, it's really hard to move it forward, right? It's hard to move it forward because that market cap is so big, right? So that's what I've got for you. I'm going after both of these smart contract platforms, no doubt about it. They both will be in my portfolio for the long term, but that's a little nice, price comparison. Also talking about both assets and what they have coming up, Cardano and ETH coming up later this fall. So let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for popping in. I appreciate it, and I will see you all